for today. Make sure your name, number, table number all on it. We did the front, and I think most classes we did number 13 in class, okay? So I'll start with number 14. So the steps we wrote in class, you always do parentheses first or additive inverse first and then distribute, okay? That gives you 2h plus a negative 4. Distribute's just a fancy word for multiply. You're done with that. You still have left this h and that plus, that equal, and that 20. Okay, the equal sign, we focus on the plus side. We combine like terms. That means we add them together. Invisible 1 there, that you get 3h plus that negative 4, and then equals to that 20. Add 4, that's 24 equals to 3h. Divide that by 3, divide that by 3. H is equal to 8. That's your answer there. And this one here, invisible 1, distribute. There's the line if you need to see the left and right side. Working on right because of a plus sign. That's negative 14g plus, that's a 7. 1g add to that. Could combine these two because they both have g. You get 6g plus the 7. And then we haven't done any, we didn't do anything to the 9. So, and then you make 0 to the 7. Minus 7 minus 7, you get 2 there, equals to 6g, right? That's 0. And then you divide by 6 to both sides. 6 does not go into 2, so you just leave that as a fraction and simplify that by 2. You get 1 over 3. That's your answer, because it's just a fraction. You can't divide into. Okay, number 16, you distribute. Negative 5v, add a negative 25, plus that 2v equals to that 40. Okay, that's a 25. It's an ugly 25, but combine these, they're alike. You get negative 3v plus that negative 25 equals to that 40. Now make 0 because these are no longer alike, so you have to make 0, add 25, add 25. You get 65 equals to negative 3v. Divide by negative 3. V equals 2, 6, remainder of 5. Oh, bring down the 5, so you have to divide by 3. You get 1, 3, remainder of 2. So your answer, because there's one negative, you get negative 21 2/3. Number 17. Okay, there's the just additive inverse. There's a minus, so you distribute 3y plus a negative 30. Bring down the 5y, then plus. That's the 48 equals. Combine these two because they both have y's. You get 8y plus negative 30. 48. Add 30. Add 30. 78 equals, that's 0 plus 8y is 8y. Divide by 8. Nine times 72, remainder of 6. So your answer is 9, remainder 6 over 8, which this can be reduced to, divide them by 2, you get y equals then 9 3/4. Okay, no additive inverse because it's all plus, so you get You bring down this negative 8 plus this 8n plus the 24 equals to 70. Combine these two, they're alike. You get positive 16, the bigger number takes the sign, plus 8n equals to the 70. Minus 16, you get 8n equals to 54, divide by 8. Seven, 6, that's 48. 6, so remainder 6. So your answer is n equals 6, remainder 6 over the 8, which can be reduced, again, by the same thing, 2. You get n equals 6 and 3/4. Number 19. Okay, again, distribute. I got it all on one side. Negative 6r plus 20. And then you want to bring down the 12r and the plus sign and the 5. Okay. Oh, hold on. These two are alike. Combine them, you get a positive 6r. You bring down that plus 20 equals to 5. You minus 20. Minus 20. Negative 15 equals 6r. Divide by 6. Negative, you reduce that. Okay, let's divide 15 by 6. Goes in 2 times 12, remainder 3. So your answer is in negative because there's one negative. 2 and 3 over 6, or you can reduce 3 over 6 to 1/2. R is equal to negative 2 and 1/2. Okay, and the last one here. You have this one here. You distribute. There's no additive inverse because all these are plus. And then bring down the 4h. Combine these two together. 12h plus 40. And then minus 40. You get 3 equals to 12h. And then you divide by 12. H equals to, simplify this, that means reduce. Divide them both by 3, you get 1 over 4. That's your answer. In most classes, some of my classes, we did this one here, and some we did not. So, your family and friend is traveling to Las Vegas for winter break. Oh, and also if you're in my period 2, well, period 2 we finished like up to number 15, so number 16 may be a little bit different for you, but 17 and on are the same, and this one is also the same, I believe. Okay, you and your family is traveling to Las Vegas for winter break. Your parents are looking into finding the best hotel for the price. Wayne Hotel charges a resort fee of $150 plus $50, $250 per night. So write an equation for the total to find the total cost to stay at the Wynn Hotel. So $150 plus $250 n for nights equals to, we want to find the total cost. So C. All right. Complete the value table, the table values for the problem situation. Okay, this parent wanted to stay 3 nights, so 3 goes into there. So 150 plus 250 times the 3 equals to C. That's 750. you get $900. The cost would be $900. Okay, and then if you want to stay for 8 nights, well, you pay $150 in resort fee plus $250 per night times 8 nights. You get the cost. So $150 plus $2,000. So the cost is $2,150 to stay there. Okay, I hope this helps.